Yo, I know this beat. Well, what do I do when I smell a tune? This is my fucking way. I'll tell you the time of day. JD, yo, I think one day when we are together in the end, I think we'll figure it out little by little. I know how to remind myself what to do, and I think I can't come up with the words because I know I don't. I love my life, that's the truth. I getting by, I get by little by little, and that's the fucking thing. I know, oh my, yo, my goodness God, I swear to God, it's a backyard bash. It seems like it, I know that's the truth, but put in some hard work and have some truth. That's the little thing I learned when I dealt with this absurd bird that I met along the way. His name's regret, and I know how to be the man. But look at you, yes, Sam, I am. I can tell, my man. That's what it looks like, fam. You're the big burly thing in the end that always has his way. That's because you're the man. You're the big after plan. Yo, 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 JD. Anyways, that's fucking cool with me. It is. I love it. You love it? Yeah. I love it. Good. Because that's the end of the song.